Today we're gonna address some concerns you might have before starting chiropractic care. The number one question that I have here is, can I have chiropractic care after a spinal surgery? Yes, you can. Your chiropractor will usually avoid the surgically modified area and focus on improving the functions and mobility of the rest of your spine. This is why we also encourage all our patients to come in and have a consultation or just have a chat with one of our chiropractor to make sure that together we can see what is the best course of action for your condition.